Hello, nursing students. This is Sarah Schumann from Academic Support. I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on how to access some nursing tutoring services. First of all, go to your Moodle page, and sorry about that. You'll notice an Academic Support Tutoring tab on your dashboard. If you click into this, you'll be able to see our tutoring options. I'm going to start with Smart Thinking. Now, you might see the Smart Thinking link on one of your course pages, or if you don't, this is an easy way to get to Smart Thinking. So just go to the Academic Support Tutoring tab, click on the last link. You'll get a message that says, please enroll in the course. Just click OK, enroll me, and then you'll see some academic support offerings. Click into Smart Thinking. You might get a weird check screen image. Just click here to continue. For tutoring, you'll see that there's a nursing and health sciences, and all the courses show up not available in the drop-in screen. But if you click schedule a future session, nursing and health sciences becomes available. So if you need help in med surg, click into it, and you'll see that there's not any available dates, and that's only because you have to plan ahead. So for example, the 29th it's booked. I suggest you do at least a week ahead, maybe even a little more than a week. So let's try the 8th. So you'll see on the 8th of October, there's plenty of options where you can get help with med surg. So you will find that you'll have to do a little bit of planning ahead in order to get into Smart Thinking. There are other tutoring options. Again, go back to our Tutoring and Academic Support Moodle page. Remember, it's easy to find. Just go to the Tutoring tab on Moodle. If you click into our page, you'll see we have a nursing, tutoring, and YouTube channels. We have a bunch of lists. For example, these are YouTube channels recommended by nursing tutors that can help you when you're studying. If you're at the 200 level, you can do Zoom drop-in tutoring with Elizabeth Fisher on Mondays, 2 to 4. Just drop into her Zoom. If you'd like to do some in-person drop-in tutoring for the nursing 200 level courses, drop in to see peer tutor Chelsea on the 3rd floor of the Choi Library on Fridays from 3 to 6 p.m. Just remember your key fob after 5. If you're looking to make a Zoom tutoring appointment one-on-one, click the first option. You'll see that there are 2 nursing tutors available with some open individual sessions. So you have lots of options. Again, you can find everything if you go to your dashboard, click onto Academic Support Tutoring. If you click into any of these options, you can get some help. The first one gives you access to Zoom tutoring appointments. The second one is a request form where I will get back to you with options. And the third one clicks you into Smart Thinking or shows you the drop-in sessions and the YouTube channels. If you would like help with writing, click into the Zoom tutoring and you'll see writing is at the top, and there's plenty of writing tutors that you can make an appointment with. There's also help you can get with writing on Smart Thinking too. Hope this helps. Good luck. Have a great day. Email RSC Academic Support if you have any questions. Thank you.